In this lecture, we will discuss about the third subcategory of identify, that is improvement. Improvement has total 4 subcategories. We will discuss in detail how to implement each one of these. First subcategory requires improvements are identified from evaluations. Second subcategory says improvements are identified from security tests, exercises, including those done in coordination with third parties. Now, implementing first and second subcategory is very simple. What you need to do, document the findings from all the tests and exercises such as VFPT, security audits, BCP tests, incident response, etc. Develop a well-defined plan to address the identified weakness. Track the implementation of improvements and reassess the same periodically. Third subcategory requires that improvements are identified from execution of operational processes, procedures and activities. To implement the same, what you need to do is to obtain the feedback from employees and other relevant parties, to report issues and suggest improvements with respect to cybersecurity. Develop and implement plans to address the identified improvements. Let us now discuss fourth subcategory. It says that incident response plans and other cybersecurity plans that affect the operations are established, communicated, maintained and improved. So what you need to do is to create a comprehensive incident response plan that outline the procedures for detecting, responding to and recovering from cybersecurity incident. Regularly review and update the incident response plan to reflect changes in the threat landscape and organizational structure. Incorporate lessons learned from past incidents and security exercise. You may like to refer clause 13 of our incident management policy to understand a structured process of incorporating the lessons learned and implementing the preventive controls. That's all for this lecture. With this lecture, we have completed first 2 functions. In next lecture, we will discuss about third function, that is protect. If you like this video and want to have complete access to our CSF 2.0 course, please do check the link available at the description.